In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to place two checklists side by side in Google Docs. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. To get started, open your document in Google Docs. The easiest way to place two checklists side by side is by using a table. Go to the top menu, click Insert Table, and select a table with two columns and one row. This creates two side-by-side sections where you can add your checklists. Click inside the first column, then go to the toolbar and click the checklist icon to start your first checklist. Add your items one by pressing Enter after each task. Next, click inside the second column and repeat the same process to create your second checklist. This is a great way to organize tasks, compare lists, or create side-by-side to-do lists. If you don't want the table borders to be visible, click anywhere inside the table, then right-click and select Table Properties. Under Color, set the table border width to 0. This hides the borders, making it look like you have two clean checklists side by side while keeping everything perfectly aligned. And that's it. You've successfully placed two checklists side by side in Google Docs for a cleaner and more organized layout. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Docs guides.